Hi guys, here's your first detailed look at LG's upcoming flagship, the LG G8. Codenamed Alpha, the smartphone will sport the same design language as the last year's G3's flagship, the LG G7 Plus ThinQ. Moreover, unlike most flagships slated to launch in 2019, the LG G8 will not feature a punch hole display and instead will sport a notched display. The display is expected to measure around 6.1 inches and we can expect it to offer Quad HD Plus resolution. Towards the back, the smartphone will ship with a dual camera setup which has been positioned horizontally as opposed to the vertical alignment on the G7 Plus ThinQ. Going by the renders, it appears that LG will not equip its upcoming flagship with an in-display fingerprint sensor and instead opt for a rear-facing authentication module. Interestingly, the phone will continue to offer 3.5mm audio socket along with following the conventional placement for ports and controls. That's all we know about the LG G8 for now. Thanks for watching.